Hi everyone, this video is dedicated how to install a signature that you created a new alt stamp for Outlook on Mac. So first we are logged in and we already created a few signatures we want to work with. You can see them under signature list. Once you hover over a signature that you want to install, there are a few buttons that appear and the one that we need to click is use. Once you've done that, you're going to be redirected to the installation page with all the instructions, and on the top left you need to choose the email provider that you need to work with. In our case, that is Outlook. Here to the left you can see the different instructions for Mac and Windows. Make sure that you're using the relevant ones. There's also a video that will explain all the details and peculiarities. Once you are aware of all the steps, you can go back to the signature preview to your right, see if everything is still working for you, and then copy the signature by clicking so. Then we are ready to go to Microsoft Outlook app, and here we need to compose a new email, and on the top right there is the signature icon that we need to click and then go to manage signatures. Here to the left we need to press a little plus icon, and first of all we need to name our signature. That totally depends on your preferences. And once we go to the main field, we need to delete whatever is there and then click Command V hotkey to paste the signature that we copied to clipboard beforehand. Once it's done, please make sure that you hover over the little paste icon, click on the arrow, and then choose Keep Source Formatting option. Once everything is done, we can click on Save and close this window. Make sure that all the settings meet your expectations, and after that you're set to go. To test if everything is working, just click on New Email and then you can see that your signature is already installed within the email. Thank you very much for watching that. I hope everything works smoothly for you. In case there are any challenges, please feel free to contact our support team. Have a great day. Bye bye guys.